Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this lecture number 7 of polar plot, we are going to study procedure of determining phase crossover frequency mathematically. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. Now let us first see what is phase crossover frequency. Phase crossover frequency is represented by omega Pc. It is the frequency at which the polar plot crosses the minus 180 degree line. So we can say that the point of intersection of the polar plot with minus 180 degree line or negative real axis is the point which corresponds to the frequency called as phase crossover frequency. It can also be defined as the frequency at which phase angle of g of j omega into h of j omega becomes minus of 180 degree, and mathematically it is represented by angle of g of j omega into h of j omega is equal to minus 180 degree. Next is procedure to determine phase crossover frequency omega Pc. First step is to rationalize the open loop transfer function g of j omega into h of j omega. We know that the open loop transfer function is given by g of s into h of s, and when we put s is equal to j omega in this equation, then we will get this type of equation. So we have to rationalize this equation of g of j omega into h of j omega, and after rationalizing we have to separate the real part and imaginary part of this equation. Then we have to equate the imaginary part of this equation to 0 to find the phase crossover frequency omega Pc. And if we want to find out the intersection point of the polar plot with the negative real axis or intersection point of the polar plot with minus 180 degree line, then we have to substitute this phase crossover frequency in the real part of g of j omega into h of j omega. That means we have to find out the phase crossover frequency from the imaginary part by equating it to 0. Then we have to keep that value of phase crossover frequency omega Pc in the real part of g of j omega into h of j omega to find out the intersection point of the polar plot with the negative real axis. To understand the procedure of finding phase crossover frequency omega Pc, let us take one example. Question is find phase crossover frequency omega Pc for g of s into h of s equal to 1 upon s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. In this equation, first we will put s is equal to j omega, then we will get g of j omega into h of j omega is equal to 1 divided by j omega into j omega plus 1 into j omega plus 2. Next step is to rationalize this equation of g of j omega into h of j omega. For this we will multiply this equation and divide this equation with minus of j omega into j omega minus 1 into j omega minus 2 divided by minus of j omega into j omega minus 1 into j omega minus 2. For the denominator, we can use a minus b into a plus b formula. We know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now we will multiply the numerator equation. When we multiply this minus j omega into the bracket, we will get plus omega square, because we know that j square is equal to minus 1. Then we will get plus j omega into j omega minus 2 divided by this minus j omega, and this plus j omega becomes plus omega square. Then j omega plus 1 and this j omega minus 1 becomes j of omega whole square minus 1 square. By using this formula, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then for this equation also, when we multiply this j omega plus 2 with j omega minus 2, we will get j omega whole square minus 2 square. Again we will multiply this omega plus j omega into the bracket. We will get j omega cube minus 2 omega square. Then this j and j becomes j square, which is equal to minus 1. So we'll get minus of omega square. then we will get minus of 2j omega in the numerator, then divided by, this will be omega square into minus of omega square minus 1 into minus of omega square minus 4. Now in the denominator the whole thing will become plus when we take common minus from these brackets. From the numerator we will get j omega cube minus of 2j omega minus of 3 omega square divided by omega square into omega square plus 1 into omega square plus 4. Now next step is to separate the real parts and imaginary parts. After separating real and imaginary parts of g of j omega into h of j omega, we will get this type of equation. To find out the phase crossover frequency omega pc, we have to equate the imaginary part to 0. That means we have to keep omega cube minus 2 omega divided by omega square into omega square plus 1 into omega square plus 4 to 0. From this equation we will get omega cube minus 2 omega is equal to 0. So from here we will get omega cube is equal to 2 omega. This omega and this omega will be cancelled out, and here we will have omega to the power 2. Okay, so from here we will get omega is equal to root 2. So according to the procedure which we have studied just now, the phase crossover frequency will be equal to root 2 radian per second. So hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.